As usual, the list is endless and we cannot finish everything at a go. So what I want to do is I want to teach you the possibilities that you can do. So you can go back to ChatGPT and say, I've learned a lot of skills from ChatGPT. How can I start making money with it? And hola, ChatGPT is going to start giving you the idea. So it starts with freelancing. We've spoken about that. Second is content creation. We've spoken on it. Coaching and consulting is another strategy you can offer to coach people to consult, be a consultant in a particular area because you've learned that knowledge. You can be someone who sells on online platforms, as we've already spoken here. Online tutoring, you can also offer trainings and all that. And there are a whole lot. You can ask it to generate more ideas for you. So these are the endless ways you can earn money on Chat GPT. So it has started giving you more and they are endless. So thank you very much. And we'll have the bonus session. I'm going to teach you how to advance yourself and upgrade yourself in this business.